Welcome, everyone. Let's dive into some intriguing insights about landing a job through references in 2025 using LinkedIn. It's like um, carving a pathway through digital introductions to get that employee referral, right?
Yep, absolutely. It's a whole new game plan, isn't it? The idea is to bypass the long traditional routes and leverage your network, especially through personalized outreach.
Exactly. And the approach here is built around a step by step guide that walks you through how to, get a job by reference using LinkedIn networking tips.
So, in essence, it's like transforming cold applications into warm introductions through employee referrals. That sounds like a game changer.
Right on. You see, the process starts with fine tuning your LinkedIn profile. It's like cleaning up your storefront before you open up for customers.
Yeah, that makes sense. And once your profile is polished, you then move to targeting your roles and companies, right? I mean, knowing exactly which companies you want to work for helps you focus your networking efforts.
Uh-huh. Absolutely. It's all about narrowing your focus. There's a roadmap laid out. First, profile cleanup. Then create a target list of roles and companies. After that, you delve into LinkedIn searches for alumni and second-degree connections.
True. I guess the idea is that if you share some common ground, like having worked at the same place or going to the same school, it builds immediate credibility with potential referees.
That's it. And then they really get into the details of personalized connection notes. It's like, you're not sending out a generic, hey, add me on LinkedIn message, but rather a thoughtful note that aligns your skills with the job's requirements.
That's smart. It avoids coming off as too pushy while still making a strong case for your candidacy. But, isn't there a risk of sounding scripted if everyone uses the same templates?
That's a valid concern, but the guide emphasizes customization. It encourages you to tweak the DM templates, especially ones for alumni, ex-colleagues, recruiters, and hiring managers. So they reflect your personal journey and skills match.
Yeah, personalization is key. Interesting.
It's practical, like running a mini CRM system for your own job hunt.
Right? It's like being methodical about it. So, in a sense, LinkedIn is more than just a profile platform. It's a networking engine when you know how to use it properly. Although I wonder, couldn't relying heavily on referrals limit your reach to only those companies with a strong alumni network?
But even niche industries have communities on LinkedIn. It's all about smartly finding the connections that exist, no matter how niche.
Fair enough. Plus, the strategy isn't just about referrals. It's mingled with solid networking basics, right? Profile optimization, targeting, engaging. It covers all fronts.
Exactly. There's a loop, profile, targeting, connect, engage, and then ask. And it also underscores having a clear roadmap for your job search. An optimized profile is step one, then establishing a targeted list, moving on to personalized connection outreach, followed by engagement, and ultimately making the ask with the right supporting
Yep,
documents.
that sequence sounds seamless. I like how the roadmap essentially breaks down a complex process into daily achievable steps. That's encouraging for anyone feeling overwhelmed by the modern job market.
Absolutely. It's like turning a mountain into manageable hills. And by the way, the video also highlights the importance of clarity when linking your skills to the job description. It pushes for a skills match that's obvious even before the referral request, which can really raise your chances.
Right? Because recruiters are always looking for that clear alignment. And it's interesting that this strategy is especially tailored towards 2025 conditions. Even with rapidly shifting job markets and tech advancements, relationship-based referrals remain a cornerstone.
Exactly. It proves that even in a digital age, a personal touch in networking never goes out of style. It's like combining modern tech with classic relationship building methods.
That's very true. Before we wrap up, do you think this reference approach could potentially disadvantage those who have smaller networks?
That's a compelling concern. I do think that while the method is great, it might be challenging for someone with a limited network initially. In that case, the first step has to be active networking. So it acts as both a strategy for job search and for building that network from scratch.
Yeah, you have to invest in growing your network first. So, in summary, this approach, with its step-by-step guidance on profile enhancement, targeted networking, and respectful follow-ups, seems to effectively capitalize on employee referrals, right?
Right, exactly. It's a holistic strategy that blends digital presence with human engagement to create opportunities in a competitive market.
That's a powerful mix. Well, this certainly gives job seekers a fresh, actionable take on leveraging LinkedIn in 2025. It's both strategic and personal.
Absolutely. For anyone looking to break into a new job, adopting these networking tips could make all the difference. It's like, turning a cold approach into a warm, congratulatory introduction through thoughtful referrals.
Exactly. That's the secret sauce. Thanks for this engaging chat. It's clear that with the right tools and a bit of personal touch, the power of referrals and networking stands strong even in a fast evolving job market.
Yes, indeed. And remember, success in networking is all about building genuine relationships, one thoughtful message at a time.
Absolutely.